In our first example, we had additive inverses, but if you look at example 2, I don't have any additive inverses. Both of my y's are positive. So sometimes you're going to have to multiply the equation by something that's going to give you an additive inverse. Since my y's are both, I have one y, I'm going to go ahead and multiply this bottom equation by a -1. By doing that, it's going to give me a negative y, and I'll have additive inverses in my y. Then I'll be able to eliminate the y variable. So -1 times the -2x, negative times the negative gives me a positive. That's going to become a positive 2x. -1 times y is going to give me a negative y. And then -1 times -17 gives me a positive 17. Now, to help me to be able to do my elimination, I'm going to recopy this top equation down here. 6x plus y equals 39. Now you can see I have additive inverses with my y's, negative y and a positive y. So I'm going to add my equations together. 2x plus 6x gives me 8x's. Negative y plus y eliminates that y variable. It's going to cancel. And then I'm going to add 17 plus 39. 7 plus 9, 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus another 3. That gives me 56. To solve for x, I'm going to divide by this coefficient of 8. The 8's will cancel. X equals 56 divided by 8, which is 7. Now, just like the last example, I'm going to take this 7 and I'm going to substitute it into one of my equations to solve for the y variable. I'm going to pick this top one since I have a coefficient of 1 for my y. So I'm going to rewrite this equation. Negative 2x plus y equals negative 17. And I'm going to take this 7 and substitute it right here for x. So I have negative 2 times the 7 plus y equals negative 17. Negative 2 times 7 is a negative 14, plus y equals negative 17. Since my 14 is negative and I'm solving for y, I'm going to move that 14 over by adding it. Always do the opposite. The 14's cancel, and y is going to equal negative 17 plus 14, which is a negative 3. Now I have a value for y and x, and I'm going to write them as an ordered pair. So the solution to my system of equations is the point 7, negative 3. If we graphed this equation, the two equations, the point where they would intersect would be the point 7 and negative 3.